Hi, Jonathan York from Bay Financial Partners, looking at the investment markets. Many of the stock indices around the world now are touching multi-year highs, and interesting to note the S&P 500 is now only around 5% off its all-time high. Just be very interesting now to see how these markets perform, because if you look at a lot of the price earnings ratios, they are still way off the sort of 5-decade averages. So there potentially is quite a bit further upside. You're seeing some pretty positive news coming through on not just the earnings out of the US, but also on the economic data as well, with the US housing market now really starting to show real signs of recovery. In Europe as well, we've seen a little bit further move now with Greece getting the next round of its bailout funds. And it appears now that the European debt crisis, while not completely over, is certainly showing signs of being a little bit of containment out there, and now looking towards signs to get the economies growing. Even Japan has come to the party with the latest news coming out of Japan. Now they're going to embark on a round of asset purchases, and that should help boost the economy and certainly help the Asia region as well. Here in New Zealand, we've got the first Reserve Bank meeting next Thursday. Most analysts expect rates to be left unchanged. There are some calling for a potential cut out there on the back of the very low inflation. Giving the potential housing bubble that could be sort of starting in around the sort of Auckland area, etc. Reserve Bank is very mindful of that, and also as well with the economic growth starting to come through. You've still got Christchurch bubbling away as the rebuild takes place. Consensus is now for rates to be left unchanged. So if you are looking for income out there, bonds are sort of few and far between in terms of issues, but there are still plenty of good dividend shares out there, which can certainly be a very healthy addition to a portfolio. Can give you a good steady income stream, and also potential for a little bit of capital gain as well. Obviously with the recent moves as well, it's a good opportunity to review that portfolio and just make sure that everything is performing as should be. So call us on 0800 867 323 and we can review that portfolio and discuss potential dividend shares that could go into the portfolio to generate some income. We can go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz for lots of interesting articles. We look forward to speaking to you soon.